Hello friends, I am Gunjan Mathur and you are watching my YouTube channel Gunjan Shares Life and Learning. In today's video, I am going to show you an amazing trick to create transaction code for SAP query created using SQ01 transaction. If you are also an SAP enthusiast like me and want to watch more such videos, you may find them by clicking on I button above this video. If you are new to my channel, please hit subscribe button and also click on bell icon to get the notifications for all such videos coming in future. Without a further ado, let us start today's video. So guys, we are into SAP screen now. I have my SAP query open in SQ01 transaction. The query name is JAD material and the user group for this particular query is JAD Gunjan test. We will be requiring only these two information to create the transaction code. So the benefit of the method which I am going to show you is you will not be requiring any program name, you need not generate any web program for this particular query. Also, the transaction code which you will be creating using my method will be applicable to the query in all the servers, be it development server or the quality server or the production server. You may use the same transaction code in all the servers simultaneously. Right? So to create the transaction code, we need to navigate to transaction code SC93. Here I will be giving my transaction code here. So let me give JAD-GM underscore test1. I click on create. Here I will need to give a short text. So I am giving T code for query. Here you need to select the last radio button, transaction with parameters. Click OK. OK, fine. So here you need to give few parameters. Let me show you. So these are the parameters you need to enter into the SC93 screen. So transaction will be start report. Then there will be this particular variable. Here you need to give value AQ. Then here you need to give the name of query. And in this particular parameter you need to give the user group. Let me quickly show you in the screen. The transaction code is start underscore report. You need to click on skip initial screen. Then down there you have this default values. Here you need to give these variable names. So this particular variable name I am copying. I put it here. Here I have to give AQ. Then I am copying second one. I am copying it here. Here I have to give my SAP query name. So my SAP query name is JAD material. Okay. Now I have to add another variable. Here I am copying this. Here I have to give my user group name. So my user group name is JAD Gunjan test. The key point to note here is that the 13th character of your user group should be G. It identifies that the user group which you are using is a global user group. So the 13th character should be G. Once you are done with this, click on save button. I am saving it to a local object. So transaction code JAD-GM underscore test1 is saved. Let us go and try this particular T code which we have created. So it opens the SQL SQ01 query which we have created. Let us compare this with the query which we created using SQ01 transition. So I am executing query using SQ01 as well and the T code as well. So this is the screen of SQ01. The query is Z material. I click on execute. So this is the screen, right? The heading is material, then you have material number, material type, old material number, right? Now let us see the screen which we generated using this particular T code. Oh, let me execute T code again. So you can see the screen is quite similar. Let me execute it. So here this is the data which we have, and the data is supposed to be similar. Let us check. Yeah, data is also similar. So we have created a transition code for the SQ01 query without the help of any program name or generating any ABAP report or anything, right? Hope you liked this video so far. If you liked this video, hit the like button, comment your views in the comment section, share this video with your friends, and if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel so that you get access to more such created content in this particular channel. This is Gunjan Mathur signing out until we meet again.